Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Life. Today I brought a full collection of Missha Pearl in Love gloss. Recently I purchased all of the pieces from this collection because I bought one color and I enjoyed using it, so I thought I will make a full review of this. I will talk about the texture, the moisturizing skill, what I experienced through my usage. I was using all of the colors for about 1 month already, so I will show one by one all the colors on my lips. So first of all, about the packaging. The package is really simple. This is the box. It's all just black. You can see the brand name and you can see the exact color name over here, and you can see some Korean about the details, what kind of product is this one. Yeah, I cannot see how many milligram is this one. Anyway, so I will write how many milligram is this product over here. So this packaging is really simple, but at the same time it's really strong, and I never experienced that this opened just automatically in my bag, so it has a safe system. The difference is over here because this part, the top part, is made of silicone and the bottom part is made of sponge, so you have two different type of application. Actually I tried both of them. The sponge part is supposed to be more natural and the silicone part is supposed to put more color onto your lips, so it should be stronger, but I never use the silicone part because it's just overly too much on my lips. So even if I apply on with the silicone part, I always fix it with the sponge part, so it's kind of useless, but it's an extra for this lip gloss. Anyways, I will talk about the details. I experienced that as soon as I applied it on, it smoothed out my wrinkles. My lips are just normal, sometimes a little bit more dry, and for me this amount of moisturizing skill is just more than enough, and it will give that good comfortable feeling. It doesn't have any stickiness. I didn't experience this sticky feeling. You cannot really find lip glosses in Korea. I think maybe they are just not that trendy nowadays, but I prefer lip glosses sometimes because they give that natural look. As you can see now, also I don't wear any makeup. I wear only a cushion foundation and I did my eyebrows, and that's why I was searching for a lip gloss and I found this one from Missha. But about the negative point, I would mention that the coloration disappears after just 10 or 30 minutes. So I purchased all the colors, but it was kind of useless actually. So if you like this product, you should purchase just 1 or 2 colors. If you apply it on just once onto your lips, it will feel good, but if you apply it on 2 or 3 times, it will feel just too heavy and uncomfortable on your lips. I would also mention that when you try to open this product and you pull it out, the sponge will spread this tint just everywhere. So I had an accident that I just pulled it out and the pink color just got onto my white shirt. Okay, so now I will show the colors one by one. This is the main point of this video, and the first color that I am going to apply on is All About You. This is a transparent pearly color. So this color is the All About You. This is just a really shiny lip gloss. It doesn't have any pearl inside, although the name is Pearl in Love gloss, so you expect some pearl in it, you expect some shimmer inside this lip gloss, but it doesn't really provide that. So if you buy this color, it's only like a coating lip gloss. So the next color is Be My Forever. It tends to be an intensive red color with gold pearls inside. So this is the next color. As you can see, it has a better coloration, but it also doesn't have that much pearl inside, more than the first color, but it's also not that pearly, shimmery lip gloss, and you shouldn't expect it from any of the colors because they have a good shine. It has a really nice shine, but they don't really have this shimmery pearl inside of them. The next color is Call You Mine, and this one is a pink color with purple pearl inside. So this is the finish. Personally, this is my favorite color because it's more like a cool tone lip gloss and it's more natural. I feel that this is my color, but if you have, for example, a warm tone, then you should choose another color. So this is just my personal opinion that this one fits for my skin tone and for my skin color the most. The next color is Hey Jude. This one is a plum brown with gold pearls. So this color is also not what I expected. I thought it's more of a brown color or more of a burgundy color, but instead it's an MLBB, so it's like my lips but better. For an everyday lip gloss, this one is also really nice, but you shouldn't expect any glitter inside and you shouldn't expect the colors that you can see on the internet, because in real life it's really different. I expected more from this color than it actually provides. This color was a disappointment for me. The next one is Ring My Bell. This one is a coral color with gold shimmer. This one is also an MLBB color, so it's also a natural color that looks like your lips. I would mostly recommend this color for people who has warm skin tone. Because personally I never really use warm makeup, so I don't really like orange colors, for example. I didn't expect much from this lip gloss, this color, and I don't really use it. And the last color is Marry You. This one is a fuchsia pink with blue pearls. This last color has a little bit better pigmentation and I can see some shimmer inside, so it's not that bad. And this color is especially for people who would like to create a cool tone makeup, so because it has this purple finish and blue pearls that you can see in this lip gloss. These three colors are my favorites, so usually when I want to use a lip gloss I used these three colors. The first one is the Marry You. It was the last color that I applied on. It's really good for this Barbie doll look because of this fuchsia pink color, and it's also good for cool tone makeup, so I use that one if I want that kind of a look. The next one is the Call You Mine. This is a really soft color and I think this color is really beautiful and really natural. If I want a more cute, more angelic outlook, I choose this lip gloss. And the last color from these three is the Be My Forever. I think this one has the strongest pigmentation. It has a good pigmentation and it has really nice pearl inside. Compare all of this color with each other. I think this is the best pigmentation. It's really strong and it has this nice pink color. So if I want a little bit stronger lip gloss, then I choose this one. The other three colors for me were disappointments, but if you have like different different skin tone, maybe these colors would be the perfect match for you. These three colors are really similar with each other and it's, I think, waste of money to buy these colors. These are really lack of pigmentation and lack of gloss, so if you want a little bit more pigmentation and more wow factor, then the other three colors are better choice. I hope you like this video. If you are searching for a lip gloss that is made in Korea and doesn't have this sticky finish and moisturizing your lips well and has this beautiful gloss, I highly recommend this lip gloss. Really cheap, and compared to the price it has a really good quality as well. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.